Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best oil filter is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining your vehicle's engine health, acting as the first line of defense against harmful contaminants that can lead to premature wear and costly repairs, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Number 5. FRAM TG Plus Replacement Oil Filter TG4967P. Introducing the FRAM TG Plus Replacement Oil Filter. It's designed for drivers who demand the best, offering exceptional filtration and protection for your engine. With 99% filtration efficiency, it provides ideal protection, especially for those who push their vehicles to the extreme. Keep your engine running smoothly under any condition. Its advanced blend increases dirt trapping capabilities, ensuring higher levels of engine protection and a longer filter life. This means more miles with peace of mind. Perfect for high-mileage vehicles or those frequently in stop-and-go traffic, towing, or extreme weather. It's built to handle it all, whether you use conventional or synthetic oil. Featuring a silicone non-drain back valve, it ensures superior startup protection. It offers up to 3 times the hot oil resistance for added durability. The SureGrip feature provides a non-slip surface for easy installation and removal. It meets all manufacturers' recommended change intervals, giving you confidence on the road. What we like. This filter offers exceptional longevity with a 15,000-mile change interval and 99% filtration efficiency. If you push your vehicle in demanding conditions like stop-and-go traffic, towing, or extreme weather, this is the robust choice for you. Its silicone non-drain back valve also ensures superior startup protection, making it ideal for high-mileage vehicles. What people say. Easy installation, great value, and high quality. I never push it to the 15K as advertised, but every 3 to 5K they hold up well. Easy to remove and install. I do have to say, I love the rhino lining dip that helps gripping it when it's time to remove. Fits perfectly on my 2010 4Runner. The filter is rated for up to 10,000 miles, which gives some peace of mind, but I still prefer to swap it out around 5,000 miles just to play it safe with an older vehicle. Overall, it installs snugly and performs as intended. Number 4. Toyota 04152 YZZA1 Oil Filter Element. Introducing the Toyota 04152 YZZA1 Replaceable Element. Designed for optimal performance and longevity. This element effectively removes harmful contaminants from your engine oil. Ensure a cleaner engine for smoother operation. Protect your vehicle's vital components with this high-quality filter. It helps extend the life of your engine. Trust in genuine Toyota parts for a perfect fit and reliable performance. Maintain your vehicle's integrity. Designed for straightforward installation, making maintenance simple. Keep your Toyota running at its best. Ensure your engine operates at peak efficiency. This element is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. What we like. This is a straightforward replacement element designed to effectively remove contaminants from your oil. If you're looking for a no-frills, reliable filter that gets the job done for standard maintenance, this is a solid option. It's a good choice for routine oil changes where contaminant removal is the primary concern. What people say. Each filter comes with a drain plug to empty the oil canister, which alleviates a lot of mess. These kits are great, and have everything you need to quickly and safely perform your own oil change. The drain port connects securely and works perfectly, the filter element is exactly the right size and material, and the 2 gaskets are vital in having a safe, secure, watertight, oil seal. Genuine Toyota filter, reasonably priced. I only wish that it includes the oil drain plug gasket, that would earn it a 5-star. Number 3. FRAM EG Plus PH6607P Oil Filter. Introducing the FRAM EG Plus PH6607P, designed for reliable engine protection for up to 10,000 miles. It's the ideal choice for everyday drivers who prioritize regular vehicle maintenance. Our advanced filter media, a unique blend of cellulose and glass, offers superior engine protection. It works effectively with both conventional and synthetic motor oils. This filter is engineered to capture 95% of dirt particles, significantly reducing harmful engine wear. It balances high efficiency with excellent dirt holding capacity. Experience enhanced startup protection thanks to the silicone non-drain back valve. It provides up to 3 times more resistance to hot oil. The Sure Grip feature offers a non-slip surface, making installation and removal simple. It meets all manufacturer recommended change intervals for your convenience. What we like. This filter provides proven protection for up to 10,000 miles with 95% dirt trapping efficiency. If you're an everyday driver who performs frequent maintenance and wants advanced engine protection with conventional or synthetic oil, this is a great fit. The silicone non-drain back valve is a bonus for superior startup protection. What people say. Works good, fitted my 2007 Honda Fit. Good quality O-ring seal, easy to install. Nice engine protection filter. Product works well and was a direct fit for 2017 Mazda CX-9. This oil filter fits very well for my 2017 Nissan Kicks and I continue to purchase it in the future. Number 2. FRAM Extra Guard PH9688 Oil Filter. Introducing the FRAM Extra Guard PH9688. It offers proven protection for up to 10,000 miles, making it ideal for everyday drivers who prioritize regular vehicle maintenance. Our advanced filter media, a unique blend of cellulose and glass, provides superior engine protection. It works effectively with both conventional and synthetic motor oils. This filter is designed to capture 95% of dirt particles. This high efficiency helps prevent harmful engine wear by trapping contaminants effectively. Featuring a silicone non-drain back valve, it ensures excellent startup protection. It also boasts up to 3 times the resistance to hot oil. With the Sure Grip feature, installation and removal are made simple. This design provides a secure, non-slip grip for your convenience. The Extra Guard meets all manufacturers' recommended change intervals. You can trust it for reliable performance and protection for your vehicle. What we like. Designed for everyday drivers, this filter offers 10,000 miles of protection and captures 95% of dirt particles. If you prioritize ease of installation with its Sure Grip feature and want reliable engine protection for regular use, this is a practical choice. It balances efficiency and dirt holding capacity for common driving needs. What people say. The filter media is surprisingly efficient for its class, offering consistent debris capture without restricting flow, and the silicone anti-drain back valve performs exactly as it should, no dry starts, no overnight bleed down. Installation is straightforward thanks to the textured Sure Grip coating, which actually provides enough traction to tighten or remove the filter without resorting to a wrench. It is rated for a longevity that is greater than the oil change intervals I plan on doing for my wife's 2016 Hyundai Accent, and performs great with synthetic oil types. Number 1. Mann Filter HU7185X Oil Filter. Ensure optimal protection for your engine with this high-quality oil filter. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Experience consistently high separation efficiency. This means cleaner oil circulating through your engine, reducing wear and tear. With its high dirt holding capacity, this filter effectively traps contaminants. Its large filter surface area ensures it captures more over its entire lifespan. The innovative pleat structuring ensures the complete filter surface area remains effective throughout its operating time. This guarantees reliable performance. Enjoy fast and easy replacement thanks to the design that allows for quick removal with wrench tools. Get back on the road in no time. What we like. This cartridge filter boasts consistently high separation efficiency and a large filter surface area for high dirt holding capacity. If you need optimum protection for your engine and value a filter that remains effective throughout its entire operating time, this is an excellent option. It's particularly suitable for specific vehicle models like the Dodge Sprinter and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. What people say. The filter is easy to install and remove. It effectively filters out contaminants, keeping the oil clean. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.